Friends, in 2015, in a place called Anoka County in the USA, there lived an old man. This man had made his home inside a broken-down van and was spending his life there. There was a kind of forest, and this old man lived right there. The man's name was Lee Haas. Lee was 76 years old. His wife had passed away. He had 2 sons, but both of them had died in accidents. Lee's condition had become very bad. He was not working anymore and was living off his remaining savings. Friends. The van he had turned into a home was also in terrible condition. It had no heating, no water, and no bathroom. In 2015, due to a storm, even the roof of this van was badly damaged. He was living in extreme poverty, but he had no other option. But friends, very soon, Lee's life was going to change. Lee loved eating pizza, and every Saturday he would order one. He always ordered from Domino's Pizza. For many years, Lee never missed ordering pizza on Saturdays. The Domino's branch near. His van also knew that Lee would surely order pizza on that day. Friends, for years, a woman used to deliver Lee's pizza. Her name was Angela, sometimes. Angela's daughter Sarah would also deliver the pizza to Lee. Both mother and daughter knew Lee very well. One Saturday, when Sarah went to deliver pizza, she saw that the roof of Lee's van had been destroyed by the storm. She and her mother were already concerned about Lee's condition, but now seeing this broken roof, Sarah thought something must be done for him. She shared this with her mother, and the two of them made a plan that they would not let Lee in such misery. The first thing they did was a reader for Lee. The cold had increased, and Lee was shivering all the time. But these two women didn't stop there. They created a GoFundMe page for Lee. On that page, they shared his story with people and appealed for donations to help him. Friends, GoFundMe.com is a website where people donate money for different causes. For example, if someone needs funds for education or for medical treatment, on this website, more than 50 million people have donated so far. Someone can donate even $1, and someone else can give $100,000. This website was created in 2010, and since then it has helped millions of people. Lee's life was also about to change because Angela shared his story on this website. Friends. Very quickly, donations from all over the world started coming in for Lee. In just 2 days, $32,000 were collected for him. In a few more days, the amount increased so much that a small house could be bought for Lee. Friends, Lee had no idea about any of this. And then Angela, along with her daughter and some friends, gave Lee a surprise of his new house. She told him, "I promised you that I would help you. And today, I have fulfilled my promise." Lee was also given some extra money for his future needs. His simple habit of ordering pizza had completely changed his life. The man was overjoyed. Friends, in life, if we can help someone in any rightful way, we must do it. This story is just like that.